All right, tiller fans. Today we're going to talk about the types of tillers we carry. You have your counter rotating, forward rotating, and the dual rotation. So let's go over these a little bit. First off, we have the counter rotating. So if you're doing your big garden, you're starting to break the ground, a counter rotating would definitely be a good one to do. You're definitely going to be able to dig up a lot of dirt at one time. You cover area, you're not going to go as fast because you're going against the grass when you're pushing it. So you're definitely going to be able to go a little deeper and a little bit more dirt at one time. Now, some of the fallbacks on this is if you do catch a rock, a root, hard ground, or something like that, you might get some more kickback. So if that's the case and you don't want to deal with that kickback, we can go with another kind. The forward rotating. So basically, the tines are going with you in this point. So you might have to make multiple passes because you're not going to be able to get as deep on the first run unless you go a little slower. But this is definitely going to want to pull you a little bit more as well, and not catch on those rocks or hard ground. It's definitely just going to go with you. So you're going to keep rotating and going around. So you might have to make multiple runs to get that area ripped up more. Now, if you want the best of both worlds, you could start with a dual rotating one, which is a great feature because you could do the counter rotation in it, and then you could switch it to the forward rotation. So it does give you the best of both worlds. So if you do tear up that ground, you get it all nice, and then you want to kind of just maintenance it, you can go right to the forward. So when you're tearing up the big ground, you go to the counter. So you kind of do have both worlds in this one. And I'm going to show you how to get that to our website. But you could also talk about them if you give us a call. And then, like I said, check out our website, which we're going to do right now for you. So first off, you're going to come up to tillersdirect.com. We're going to go to garden tillers. You could hover over this and then kind of go to rear-tine tillers. And then you can kind of go by the rotation, counter, dual, or standard rotating, which would be the forward. So you can kind of find it that way, and then it kind of gives a breakdown of them all down here. And it'll say in the title, dual, counter. You have something like the forward here. So it will tell you. And another way you can get there, if you just click on garden tillers, it'll pop up, shot by purpose, time position. So we're going to go time position and rear tine tillers. So we got a couple different options there to get through. But if you got any other questions, please give us a call. And you guys have a great day. Thanks.